Students, a very good morning to all of you. So students, this is your spoken English session and I am Ananya Modgil, class developer of Emerging 2. So we are again over here and I am back with a new session of your spoken English. Okay, so don't waste your time. Go and bring out your spoken English book which is there on screen. Okay, as you know, this is your spoken English book, Joyful D. So you all have to go and bring out your Joyful D spoken English book as well as pencil and erasers with you. I'm waiting for you. Hurry up. Okay, students, I hope so that you all have bring out your spoken English book. Let me open this book for you. As you know, in our previous session, we had covered our page number 7. In that, we did a sentence reading. Okay, let me open that page first. Right, so we did practice of sentence reading at that time. Fine. So today, what we will do, you have to turn your page around and come on page number 8. So, students, this is your page number 8. If you want to cross check it, so you have to come down and see the page number mentioned below. Fine. So today we did practice of reading 3-letter words. There are a lot of vocab given over here to you, right? The ending sound is different in everyone. So today we are going to revise the A sound words, the 3-letter words, where we revise lots of word families, right? Like at words, add words, app words, ag words, and words, and words. These all are the ending sounds. Okay, we all are doing the A sound words, but the ending sound is different in each ग्रिड राइट. तो ये जो आपको कॉलम्स दिए हुए हैं, ग्रुप्स गिवन है लाइक एट दैट मीन्स आप यहाँ पर वो वर्ड्स कर रहे हो जिसमें एंडिंग साउंड आपकी क्या होगी, एट होगी, राइट. हियर इन दिस ग्रुप वी आर डूइंग एड वर्ड्स, राइट, जहां पर आपकी एंडिंग साउंड क्या है, एड है, राइट. नाउ कम टू द थर्ड ग्रुप. हियर what it is, these are app words, right? So in this way we cover total 6 groups. Fine. So before starting, this is the overview of this worksheet key, what we are going to cover in this worksheet. Fine. Before starting this worksheet, what you all have to do, you have to mention the date column over here, right? Fill this column, write today's date, also circles the day today, and then go outside, check today weather and circle the clip art. As you know that today I'll only introduce you this worksheet. That doesn't mean you have to cover the whole worksheet in one day. That means that you have to cover this worksheet for the whole week. There are total 6 groups. So one by one you have to introduce one group on each day. Suppose you starting your day, the very first day, you have to introduce our kids with at group. Okay, you have to say that here in this group we are going to introduce you those words where the ending sound is at. ओके, आप स्टूडेंट्स को ये भी बोल सकते हो दैट स्टूडेंट सी, जब आप फर्स्ट वर्ड, फर्स्ट लेटर जो है किसी भी वर्ड का फर्स्ट लेटर अगर आप चेंज कर सकते हो, सो इट विल चेंज द होल वर्ड, राइट. सपोज आई एम राइटिंग ओवर हियर a t, here at, okay, this is at. Here also I'll write at. What I'll write, a, wait, what happened, man, a t, at, right. And fine. So is there any difference between both? This is also at, this is also at, है ना? Okay, now I will insert one letter in front over here and one letter in front over here. Suppose I'll write over here B. Okay, मैम ने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? I'll write B. So ये क्या बन गया? B at a bat. You all know what is bat? Bat means जिससे आप play करते हो, bat and ball, right? Okay, and here I'll write C. Now what is the difference? See, यहाँ पर भी at है, यहाँ पर भी at है ना? The ending sound is same, but when I change the letters in front, तो उससे आपका क्या हुआ? Word भी बिल्कुल change हो गया. This is bat और this is cat. Both are having different meaning. Bat जिससे आप खेलते हो, toy. Cat is a living thing, right? So that means अगर आप फर्स्ट लेटर भी चेंज करते हो तो उससे आपका पूरा वर्ड चेंज हो जाता है, उसका पूरा मीनिंग चेंज हो जाता है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, what you have to do is that you have to do each group on one day. Fine. You must have 6 days, right? You must have 6 days in a week, and you also have 6 groups. तो आपको 6 ग्रुप्स को 6 days में कवर करना है, and each day when you are starting with a new group, so you must have to revise your previous one. That is very much important. जब आप कोई new concept कर रहे हो, so always remember that you have to revise the first one ताकि आपका वो base clear हो. Okay, so now we are moving ahead towards our today session. Okay, so what we will do one by one. I'll introduce you the groups. Okay, and you have to cover these group each day. Okay, one group on one day. Second day you have to revise your previous group जो आपने revise किया था the previous day, and start with the next group. Okay, that is all you have to do. Fine. So firstly, let me erase it. Yeah, right, now it's all up to the mark. Now we will start. Okay, so students, the first group, there are total 6 group in this worksheet which we are going to cover. So we are starting with the very first one. This is at. That means the words which I'll introduce you in this group, those words are having the same ending sound. Are you able to understand it? That means आपके जितने भी words आप आज cover करोगे in this group, all are having the same ending sound. And what's that ending sound? It's at, right? You have to speak it again with me loudly. What we are going to cover today? At sound words. What we are going to cover? At sound words. I can't hear your voice. You have to say it loudly. What we are going to cover? At sound words, right? Okay, start with the very first word. Take pencil in your hands. You must have pencil in your hands while reading, while doing spoken work, right? Take pencil in your hand and start with the very first word. What is it? See, b. You have to read it with phonic sound. B, a, t, bat. What it is? Bat. You have to speak one more time. It's b, a, t, bat. Right? Okay. Now, move ahead. Come to the next word. You all know what is the phonic sound of C. It's k. K, a, t, cat. What it is, students? It's k, a, t, cat. Right? Okay. Now, move ahead to the next one. It's fur. F for fur. Fur, a, t, fat. See, he is a fat man. Fat means mota, right? The next one, it's her. H gives you sound. Her at hat. Try to read it with phonic sound. जब आप first time read करो तो try to do it with phonic sound. Okay, वो कब होगा? जब आप phonic sounds की regular practice करोगे, तभी आप instantly, suddenly, if somebody is asking you that please read it, तो आप phonic sound से उसको रीड करोगे. But for that you must have to do practice of phonic sounds on regular basis. Otherwise, you can read like this: H, H, A, T, T. No, आपको फर्स्ट टाइम ही जब आप रीड करो आपको फोनिक साउंड के थ्रू करना है. वो कैसे होगा? जब आप बहुत प्रैक्टिस करोगे. लाइक ह एट अ हैट, लाइक योर मैम विल डू. म एट अ मैट, राइट? In this way you have to do. Okay, students? Chalo. Now move ahead to the next one. It's m m at mat. M at mat, right? Okay, the next one. P at pat. Now one thing is clarify while reading those words. Ki each word is having the same ending sound. At. Here also at. Here also at. Fine. सो अब आपको क्लियर हुआ है कि आप जो ये वर्ड्स कर रहे हो एट वर्ड्स, यहाँ पर हर एक वर्ड की एंडिंग साउंड सेम है. दीज ऑल आर द राइमिंग वर्ड्स वेयर द एंडिंग साउंड इज सेम. ओके, दिस इज फॉर एट पैट. द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इट्स र एट rat. R at rat. Okay, try to revise it twice in a day to improve your spoken English as well as your reading. This will also improve your reading practice. Okay, the next one is sir at sat. Sir at sat. Now the next one is t t t t at tat. T at tat. T at tat. The next one it's w at wat. W at wat. Okay, so students, what we did in our first group, we are doing our at words. What we are doing? We are doing our at. Okay, I hope so that there is no doubt in these three letter words, because these words we are also covered in our English notebook before, right? So now we are moving ahead towards our second group, right? Let's see what is the caption. What we are doing now? We are doing add word. See, here is your letter A and letter D. When both of these letters combine, so what is the ending sound? Add words, right? So now we start with the very first word. It's b at bad. You are very bad. Don't do bad things, right? वो वाला bad. B at bad, right? Come to the next word. It's d at dad. I love my dad. D at dad. The next one is f at fad. What is it? F at fad. He is having a great fad, a great enthusiasm, है ना? He is very energetic. F at fad. The next one is her at had. I had a pencil. I had a notebook, right? It's her adder had. H will give you what sound? Her sound. And the ending sound is same. Adder, add, right? The next one. Come to the next one. What it is? Ma'am, this is adder, lad. Adder, lad. What is it, students? Adder. What is the meaning of lad? Lad, we use lad for a boy, right? It's at lad. The next word is at mad. Are you mad? No, I'm not mad. This is at mad. Mad किसको बोलते हैं? पागल. Right? The next one is at sad. Are you sad? No, I'm not sad. I'm so happy. So add sad. Sad means udas. The next one is who will. The next one is p at pad. Pad means a thick piece, right? This is pad pad. What it is? A pad, right? Okay. The next is now we will come towards the third group. What is it is? This one is app words. Now we are doing app words where the ending sound is app. App app. Okay. So are you all ready? Okay, so now we are doing the app word. So students, the very first word you have to start reading over here. Put your pencil over here. It's apple cap. You all know. Do you have a cap? Yes, we have a cap. What's its color? Tell me. Ma'am, I have a blue color cap. Very good. Okay. The next one is come to the next word. What it is? It's g a p gap. What it is? G apple gap. Right? I used to say you that whenever you write a sentence, put some gap in between each word. Right? So this one is that gap. Okay, space जिसको आप बोलते हो. The next word is l a p lap. Come and sit in my lap. Lap क्या होता है? जब anybody can sit. So जो distance होता है from the waist to knee उसको आप lap बोलते हो, right? जिसको आप बोलते हो गोदी, है ना? मम्मा की लैप में आप कभी सोओगे तो दैट इज अ लैप. ल ऐप lap, right? The next one is app map. This one is a app map जो आपको डायरेक्शन बताती है, right? This one is a map. Okay, that where you have to go when you went on a trip. So you must buy a map to find the locations that where is that particular place. Fine. The next one is n app nap. N app nap. You have to read one more time. What it is? N app nap. Take a quick nap. राइट. आप थोड़ी देर के लिए क्या लो? एक क्विक नैप लो. टेक अ क्विक स्लीप. ओके, झपकी जिसे हम बोलते हैं ना, दैट इज अ नैप. Okay, the next one is rap. Rap. Rap means a quick action, or you can say it is a particular type of a music as well. Rap. 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 Right. The next one is sir. S will give you with what sound? Sir sound. Sir apple sap. Sap means a tunnel. Sir apple sap. The next one is apple tap. Apple tap. Tap means आपकी वॉशरूम्स में, किचन में टैप होती है, राइट? जिससे वाटर आता है वो भी एक टैप होता है. अदरवाइज इफ आई से यू हैव टू टैप योर हैंड, you have to tap on table, so that also means tap. Okay, the next one is, okay, let me move my notebook. Yes, so the next one is your apple. Yeah, talking in an irritating way. So it's your apple. Yap. Your apple. Yap. Y will give you sound. Your. So your apple. Yap. The ending sound is same. So you just have to be focused on the very first sound. Your apple. Yap. The next one is z. Z will give you z sound. Z apple zap. Z apple zap. Zap means moving suddenly from here to there. Z apple zap. Right? So now, till now we covered the three group. The very first one is at. The next one is add. The last one is app. Now we will come towards the second half of this worksheet now over here. Okay, so we also covered these group as well. So the very first group in the second half of this page is ag, ag words, right? Here the ending sound is ag, ag. What is the ending sound, students? Ag, ag, right? So we started, or you want to take some rest? Okay, fine. Let's start in just a second. Okay. So अभी तक हमने कितने ग्रुप्स करे? We covered the three groups. That doesn't mean you have to cover the three groups in one day. That means each day you have to cover only one group. The very first day you start with the at word. Second day you revise at word first and then come on the next group. That is your at words, right? On the third day you have to revise your previous one and then you have to do the new one upwards. Fourth day revise the previous one and start with the new group AdWords, right? So in similar way you have to do each group on one day. Fine. Okay, now I think it's done. So let's start our fourth group, right? So it's ag. Okay, now we will read the very first word. What it is, students? Bag. Do you have a bag where you have to keep your books inside? Bag, right? Okay, the next one is a g gag, a piece of cloth. Gag. What you have to read it? How you have to pronounce it? G a g gag. Right. The next one is a g mag. Mag means gossips, chats. Right. This one is mag. The next one is r a g rag, a old piece of clothes that is of no use. उसको आप क्या बोलते हो? Rag. Okay. Rag. Put that rag in dustbin. जो waste है, you have to put it in the dustbin. Okay. Rag. The next one is sag. What it is, students? You have to read it aloud. Sag. Sag means sink और bulge downward. जब आप downward जाते हो उसको आप बोलते हो sag और sinking position को, right? The next one is t a g tag. Tag. Okay, let me share an experience with you, right? Okay, when you go outside with your mama, है ना, आप जब बाहर जाते हो टॉयज लेने, तो सपोज यू आर गोइंग टू अ शॉप, वहाँ पे आप टॉयज देख रहे हो, है ना? सो देयर मस्ट बी अ लेबल ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर टॉय, जिससे आपको पता लगता है दैट दिस इज द प्राइस ऑफ दिस आर्टिकल और व्हाट इज द क्वांटिटी इन दैट, व्हाट आर द फीचर्स. तो आप उसको क्या बोलते हो? दैट इज अ टैग. उस लेबल को जिसपे हर एक स्पेसिफिकेशंस आर रिलेटेड टू दैट आर्टिकल, वी कॉल इट एज अ टैग. ओके, द टैग. अब आप जब भी शॉप पर जाओगे, विजिट करोगे, ठीक है, कुछ भी आप बाय कर रहे हो, तो यू मस्ट हैव टू सी दैट लेबल एंड आस्क योर मम्मा व्हाट वी कॉल this thing. So your mama will say that this is a tag. Okay, now this one is done, this group is done. Now move ahead to the next group. What it is? Now you will have to tell me n, which words? Now we are doing and words. N and words we are doing. Okay, students? Fine. So first of all, the very first word is b, 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 b and ban. B and ban. This thing is ban. Ban means जो legally prohibited है, जो मना है आपको legally कि आप ये चीज नहीं कर सकते हो. Okay, b and ban. The next one is can. I want a can of soft drink. I want a can of Pepsi. That is a can. Can, right? Okay, the next one is fan. You all have fan in your homes, right? Fan. Please turn on the fan. It's so hot today, right? Okay, the next one is mer and man. Two men are standing there. Okay, man किसको बोलते हैं? Males को. Fine. The next one is per and pan. Per and pan. I bake pasta in my new pan. मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? मैं अपने pan में पास्ता बेक कर रही हूँ, right? Per and pan. This is a type of utensil. Okay, the next one is and ran. You have to run for 10 minutes to lose weight, right? Ran for 10 minutes. The next, t and tan. T and tan. Tan is a particular color. Okay. The lightest brown color is tan color. Okay. It is a series of color. Okay. The next one is w and van. W and van. You all know van. Van क्या होती है ना? Okay. The next one. Move ahead towards the next group. So here the ending sound is a. A से कैसी sound आती है? A, m, am sound, right? So now we are doing which words? Am sound words. Okay. Now start from the very first word, students. It's the am dam. Dam क्या होता है? A barrier, right? The am dam. Okay. Now come to the next one word. It's am Sam. Sam is a name, noun of a person or anything, right? So it's am Sam, name of a person. Okay. The next one is her. H will give you sound. Her. Her am a ham. Ham means a piece of meat. Her am a ham. The next one is am a ram. Okay, this is a term used in computers. Am a ram. Okay, for storage purposes. Okay, the next one is am a jam. You all like jam, butter and jam, right? Am a jam. The next one is am yam. Yam is a species of plant, right? It is a kind of a particular species of plant. Am yam. So students, here we have done this worksheet. Okay, and I'm saying it again and again that you please not to cover this worksheet in one day, because I don't want it that you feel something like कि आज बहुत ज़्यादा वर्क किया है, right? So don't do this worksheet in one day. I don't want you to cover this worksheet in one day, because it's need to cover in minimum 4 to 5 days. Okay, you have to do each group at a particular day. Fine, with revision of your previous groups as well. अगर आप आज start कर रहे हो, so do it with the first group. Next day revise the first group and then move ahead to the next group. Third day you have to move, first of all revise the previous two groups and then move ahead to the third group. In this way you have to cover this worksheet for the whole week. Fine. Okay, now before doing that, there is a activity for you all. Fine. So this activity is related to the word family. To build up the interest in young minds, what we can do is, you have to, parents, it's a request to you all that you must have to take a few jars with you. Okay, you can also take the bowls. You just have to name that bowls by placing the chips on it. Like, see, I'm taking these box, right? So here in this box I'll use to write at words. Right, here am. The next one is, wait, the next one is ag. See, these jars are divided in two halves, right? So here ag words and here and words. Here add words and here app words. Okay, so in this way you just have to take 4 to 5 jars with yourself. Okay, by naming on that particular jar. Okay, now make some chips of these words like and words, ag words, pat words, ham words, app words, add words, right? तो आपने क्या करना है, कोई भी 6 words लेके of different ending sounds, you just have to prepare the chits, and then you have to shuffle the chits, put it in a bowl, and then give that bowl to our kids. They will pick one by one chit. They will read first the word. This will make their understanding well towards that particular word. This will also improve their spoken English, make a habit towards the reading. Fine. So they will read that word. Suppose the first chit is, the word is ma and no man. First of all, child will read that word, that mama, this is ma and a man. Now you have to ask our kid that this is ma and a man. What is the ending sound? He will say mama and na and. What is the ending sound, students? Mama and na and. Okay, here the ending sound is and. Okay, so now you have to search for the jar where you have to put that word. So my student will come and he will put that word is and jar. Okay, so here is the and jar, so he will put it over here. In this way you have to conduct this activity. Let me give you one more example so you will come to understand this activity in a better way. Okay, so now we will do it with this. Okay, students, now you have to pick one more chit from the bowl and then you have to read it. Okay, tell me what it is. Ma'am, this is bad. Bad. Very good. Well done. Appreciation is must. When student is putting that much effort, right? So you just have to appreciate them ताकि उसका interest और develop हो. He will put more efforts because appreciation is all you can give to our kids to build up their interest, to build up their confidence level. Okay, so I want ki each and every parent should appreciate my kids. Okay, now this is b at the bad. So students, this is b at the bad. What is the ending sound over here, ma'am? At the ad. Okay, fine. Search for the ad word. Where is the ad word? Ad family कहाँ है? Where it is? Ma'am, this is ag. Very good. Where is ad? आपको तो ad search करना है ना? Where is? Ma'am, here. Very good. So you have to put it in this jar. Okay. So in this way you have to conduct this activity at your home. Okay, this is a very simple activity. आप कुछ भी jar use कर सकते हो. If you don't have jar, so you can also take bowls. ओके, आप बाउल्स भी यूज कर सकते हो. सो प्लीज डू दिस एक्टिविटी विद लिमिटेड वर्ड्स. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू हैव टू कवर द ऑल वर्ड्स. यू कैन टेक एनी 6 to 7 वर्ड्स ताकि स्टूडेंट्स को इंटरेस्ट डिवेलप हो. दे विल ऑल्सो क्रिएट इंटरेस्ट. देर इज अ फन फिल्ड एनवायरमेंट विद द स्टूडेंट्स एट होम. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई आई इंट्रोड्यूस मोर एंड मोर एक्टिविटीज ताकि स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो इंटरेस्टेड फील करें, boring na feel kare. Okay, so please, it is mandatory to do each and every activity for my kid for his or her development because I want कि students जो है वो develop करें in a better way. Fine. So that's it for your today class, students. You have to conduct this activity at your home and also revise all these words, 3-letter words. Okay, that's it for today. If you find any doubt, any query regarding this and as well as in activity, so you can ask me at that particular time. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye. Stay at your home and don't go outside.